Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And today let me give you some tip on how to tell if your map sensor is working good, or you need to clean them. So what you need is a scan tool. Scan tool I'm using today is gonna be the X431 Pro Elite. And this is very good scan tool. So I'll go ahead and hook this up. Excellent scan tool. Let's go and test it out. So I got the cars turned on already. And you might want to test this when it's fully idle, okay? I mean fully warm up. Okay. So I'll go ahead and hook this in. Okay, hook it in like that. So stack it up here. Okay, I'll go ahead and turn it on. As you can see, beautiful screen. Go ahead and do intelligent diagnose, and then diagnose. And then 16 pin. And then you go other. And then 2012, 2015. This is 2015. And without smart key. Go OK. Test. Go ahead and do the health report. Okay, just wait a little bit. Okay, should be. I have some let me see. Okay, I should have some of the trouble code right here, but go ahead. Maybe we don't need to go do this, but okay, let's go ahead and go enter to the engine and ECT, or maybe you can go back, just go back and do this, just select it. It's because we don't really need. And then you go to powertrain, and then now you go to the same shortcuts, engine and ECT, right? Go OK. Reading data stream, that's what you want. Go ahead and let read, and go ahead and select all, and then go OK. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to find out if your map sensor is working correctly or working normally. Okay, so what you do, you go find the map sensor. So we'll start with the M. So go all the way to M. Okay, go all the way to M. Keep scrolling. Okay, there's a map sensor right here. Map sensor right here. Okay, you see the map sensor is at 2.4 gram 2.4 gram, right? So this number right here, 2.4, okay, is if your MAP sensor working correctly, most of the time it's gonna be similar to your engine liter, okay? So for this 2015 RAV4, the engine is 2.5 liter, okay? So the engine size is 2.5 liter, okay? So your MAP sensor, if it's working correctly and if it's not dirty or it's not need cleaning, it should be very close to that number when it's fully warm up, okay? So remember, you have to be fully warm up, okay? So I already left this car running, so it's fully warm up. So now it's running somewhere with 2.3, 2.4, basically 2.4. So the engine liter for 2.5 is for this car is 2.5. So mine is 2.4. So it's very close to the engine liter, okay? So that's what you want. That's the magic number, okay? So if you have a 3.5 liter, your MAP sensor gram should be 3.5 or 3.4, somewhere very close to that, your engine, okay? So that's how you tell if your MAP sensor is still good, and you do not need cleaning or replacing it. So like this one is already warm up about maybe 15 minutes already, and it won't go drop anywhere lower than that. So 3.39 to 3.4 or 2.4, 2.39 to 2.4. So it stay there. It won't go down and won't go up. So this means that this car MAP sensor is good. So you check when you have your car and you want to check if your MAP sensor is good or bad. It should be correlated to your engine liter size, okay? So that's a good tip and something you keep in mind when you're working on your car. And also it's also a great tool to have if you have a scan tool like this, right? So that's today that's a easy and quick tip if you want to find out if your MAP sensor is good or need to be cleaned or replaced, okay? And then also, if you step on the gas of your car, your MAP sensor, your airflow right here, the gram should go up. I'm stepping on it right now. See it going up? And if I let it go, it's going down. Do you see that? Let's go to the graph and find out. See the graph? If I step on the gas, see it go up? And if I release it, go back down, okay? Up. Let's go up, and if I release it, go down. As you can see, that means your MAP sensor is working. But it stay around, you see that number, see? Stay around to your engine liter, okay? So just make sure you know that, okay? So I hope you find this tip is useful, and I will see you guys on the next video. All right, bye.